Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This reading is about your person's current feelings and their intentions towards you for the month of March. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person's current feelings towards you. Leo, your person's current feelings towards you. Your person current feelings towards you. Your person current feelings towards you. Two cards popped out, the Hermit with the Magician. Under the deck, Justice, Libra. The person involved in this connection could be. So Leo, what I'm getting here, I'm getting two messages from. So one thing, you person maybe decided to walk away, or you maybe decided to walk away. Someone is walked away in this connection. For some, you are in separation. So if you do that, you walked away from this connection, they're spying on you, they're stalking on you, because Page of Swords is here. They're stalking on you, they're watching you, and maybe your person right now spiritually awakening, because the Hermit is here. They're not talking to you. You both are not contact. You both are not in contact. They undergoing some spiritual awakening. They want to manifest you back. They want to fix the things between both of you. That's why after the transformation, they will be in this energy. Yeah. So for some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. And Six of Swords. They want to communicate with you, and they will communicate because they're stalking on you. Maybe they're waiting for the right time to approach you. And yeah, some communication is coming. And I think one person decided to move towards calm water in this connection. It could be you or your person. I think it's you. That's why they're stalking on you. They're watching you, and definitely they really want to manifest you. And justice. Maybe they're waiting. They want to ask second chance. Maybe you cut them off from your life. Due to it could be any reason. For some third party situation also involved, but they're patiently waiting for the right time, because the Temperance is here. They want to restore the balance in this connection. That's why they're watching you, and when the right time will come, they will approach you. But they clearly watching you. They're stalking on your social media. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Virgo. So let's see their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. So under the deck, Queen of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. They have so much love for you. So depending upon your situation, they will take actions towards you. In some cases they will do. In some cases it depends on your situation. So let's see their intentions towards you. Leo, your person intentions towards you. Lord of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lord of air energy. The Empress under the deck. One person in this connection stand by their power. They are very grounded. It could be your person or you, maybe feeling very powerful, grounded, investing energy on their self. So let's see your person intentions. Maybe they see you that you are very powerful person, that you are very grounded person. They see you like this. So first, King of Swords. I think your person right now thinking through their logical mind. They are very logical. I think there is a war between in person head over heart situation because Nine of Swords with King of Swords. Their intentions. I think they don't want to come. They stalking on you because right now they are very logical. Their emotions are very low. Even though they have love for you, they don't want to communicate with you. They are very logical this time. Um and King of Swords, yeah, they're very logical, and maybe they're planning, definitely they have some strategy, they're planning to come towards you, but it will take some time because the Magician and Virgo, right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening, that's why they're planning. That's why they're not talking to you, that's why they're cold, they're logical. And Nine of Swords, even though they're not talking to you, they're missing you so much. Nine of Swords energy, they're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you. You are on their mind 24/7. They're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you, Leo. And Queen of Swords, I think you both are very, I think, straightforward in nature. There is some cold war between both of you. You both may be very logical persons. Because Queen of Swords and King of Swords, this is the couple. I think you both are on the same page, same level, same power. That's why the issues for some, because you both stand by your powers, but no one will make the first move. Because you both are on the same page, you both are equal in all terms. Because King of Swords and Queen of Swords, you both are very logical. You both are financially stable. Whatever, you both are very straightforward in nature. But some issues are there between both of you because Nine of Swords, your person definitely some type of energy, anxiety, depression, but they are planning something to come towards you. They want to fix the things between both of you, but it will take some time. Right now your person thinking through their logical mind over their heart, and they're planning how to approach you. So let's pull some cards from universe, the outcome. Because right now your person undergoing spiritual awakening, that's why they are not willing to talk to you. Leo. Four of Cups. Yeah, they're feeling the missed opportunity with you. Two of Swords. I think your person have to make some decision, but they are unable to make it. They are very indecisive. They're confused. They don't know which decision they have to make regarding this connection. That's why they are cold right now. They are not communicating with you, but they're feeling the missed opportunity with you. They're sad. For some, they're bored. Whatever. Definitely, they're feeling sad, and they're feeling empty also. Two of Swords. They have to make some decision, but see, three cards popped out. Five of Cups, Two of Swords, and Ten of Cups. I think you also feeling sad. Yeah, someone in this connection have to make some decision, but that person is unable to make decision right now. Ace of Cups. Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person putting a lot of effort than the other connection, maybe than the other person. That could be the issue, maybe, because there is love, but there is no equal give and take. There is a lot of work to do in this relationship. So if you both want to take this relationship, the one person who is putting less effort in this connection has to put a lot of effort in this connection to make it balance. Otherwise, there is no balance. There is no partnership, because there is no partnership when you both will on the same page, putting on the effort at same level. Definitely this relationship is going to be next level. I think your person is indecisive about making some decision, so when they are ready, they will make a move towards you, to be frank, because right now your person is thinking about through their logical mind. Leo. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle Deck. Leo. So work through your fears. Your commitment is being tested. Nothing will come of this situation. So definitely you have any fears, work through your fears, because you have to overcome. So you have to work through your fears. This is one message. And your commitment is being tested. Yes, you are invested in this connection, but your commitment is always being tested. So be patient, do meditation, whatever. Take some break, and nothing will come of this situation. Maybe right now there is no move towards you, particularly no action towards you from your person, and so that's why nothing in near future, when the, because right now your person is spiritual awakening mode, so they're thinking through their logical mind right now, so it will take some time, so this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.